Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Pragmata on Steam, both in-game and through Steam settings. Let's get started. First, launch Pragmata. Go to Options. Select Language. Now you'll see two options. This changes the dialogue language. This changes the interface language. Select the language you want for both. Once you're done, go back and apply the changes. Method 2. Now let's change the language through Steam. First, open Steam, go to your library, find Pragmata, right-click the game and select Properties. Go to the General tab, find the Language section, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Close the window. Now launch the game. Pragmata should now run in the language you selected. After applying these changes, your game language should be updated. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in Pragmata. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.